Hello my country craft creation friends. I am here with my very first design team share for Country Craft Creations, and I used the Echo Park Bewitched paper collection, and I will link the products in the description below. And I'm just flipping through it real quick so you guys can see these really cute images, because this project didn't take a lot of paper yet, but they have some super cute images I want you to see. They have the cut aparts, and I will link the products in the description below. And I think that's all kind of repeat. And then I have, oh, there's another one, hang on. The cats, of course the cats, okay. The cats with the black stripe, which this black stripe is going to be awesome for a scrapbook layout. Candies, and then the old tapestry look. You have the border strips and these owls I love. And then on the back of this, I used both strips over here, so you won't be able to see those on the paper. More cut aparts. And the web on the back. Same. And then we've already seen that one. And then I have these two authentic spectrum papers, which are kind of like a pattern solids. And I got the purple and orange, which match perfectly with this collection, so you can pick that up too if you are in need of some matching colors. So now on to my project. This is a perpetual calendar, countdown calendar, and I'll be doing a tutorial for this. I have to redo the cutting guide because I got some of my measurements wrong, and redo the cutting guide, and then edit the videos. So I should be able to have the entire tutorial up online, but I'll do it in parts. But hopefully by Wednesday, 2 weeks from now, so the first week of September. So let's do a quick walkthrough here. These are the cubes. If you've seen my sneak peek on the Country Craft Creations or on my Instagram, you've seen these cubes. Now you see I'm having a little trouble getting them out. One of the things I have to fix on my cutting guide is the tolerance in here. By the time I put these two together and then added the thickers, there's some interference there. So no worries, when I redo the cut list, I will show you guys. So the idea behind this calendar is that it says here days until Halloween, and it's tone on tone. It's a little hard to see, but I didn't want it to be in your face. And then you can make these cubes say anywhere from 31 to 1. So like right now I would say 30. Let me find the one. Okay, there it is, 31. So because it's not October yet, we'll put the 31, and you slide these cubes right down into your little pocket. It says 31 days until Halloween. Like I said, I'm working on these dimensions. They won't be so hard to put in, so it'll be perfect for the children. Exciting every day, get to pull these out. You can say 12 days until Halloween. Flip them over, and it's not just good for Halloween. You know, it can also be used for Christmas or any holiday in any month, because these will go from 31 to 1, which is that covers everything. So I have some really cute cut aparts here, or fussy cutting I did. I just got some black sequins on there for a little bit of texture. The sides I put the owl paper on, and then the back, last minute decision to put this pocket on here, which you can put Halloween cards. I put a plain tag in there. On the top there's candy and there's a magnet closure here. It has an acetate front and a nice big pocket there. So wouldn't it be cool for your kids to every day when they flip that calendar over get a little tiny treat? And I'm sure they wouldn't want 72% cocoa, or maybe they would. Here's some sea salt soiree. But, you know, you can put whatever you want in it. You put suckers or sweet tarts or whatever. And then they can see it. They can see it. They switch the little numbers around. They say, yay, it's a day closer. And they get to pick a piece of candy out of the top. How fun would that be? So that's my first design team project. I'm excited about it. And like I said, just stay tuned for the tutorial. The other cool thing about this is I have so much paper left. I did not even get to use all the cute images that my next design team project will be December or an October daily that fits right there. So when it's time to put the candy away, you don't want that candy in there. Maybe you don't want a candy at all. You'll have a nice album to fit in there to document your October every day. So I hope you all enjoyed this project. And if you have any questions, just leave me a comment, and you guys should start seeing these uploads no later than next Wednesday. If I can condense the video short enough to get it all in 1 or 2 videos, I'll just upload them both at the same time next Wednesday. So just be on the lookout for that, and I appreciate everything you guys do. Thank you so much from Country Craft Creations for giving me the opportunity to make this project and share this with you all. And thanks again. Have a great day. Bye-bye.